Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you a couple of ways that I store my doorables. So if you are into doorables or small collectibles, and if you are into organization and storage ideas, this is the video for you. So I picked this up off of Temu. It is a 3-level carrying case. Comes with a little handle on the top. And what you do is you break into these by pushing these tabs to the side. So in here, I've put all my doorables for Let's Go. And the little cards fit in here too. Now I failed to keep the little collector paper, but I'll pick one of those up along the way. And that would also go in here. So there are 3 levels and it fits your doorables adequately. You see, I even have space for more because this is one of the collections that I'm still working on. But I wanted to share with you that I've tried all different kinds of ways of storing these doorables, but this is the absolute, I think, most perfect way to store them if you do not display them, or to store your extras, is to put it in here. But the thing I have to share with you is I was so excited, and I showed my friend Monica that I was collecting, that I was doing this, and then she said, oh, hey, I've been picking up those same containers at Ross's for $3. I bought this on Temu for $4.97, which I thought it was a great deal, but of course, I thought this was bigger. So anyway, it turns out that my friend Monica, we share pictures back and forth through instant messages on Instagram. So she must have showed me this probably about 3 or 4 times, because we always talk about organizing. And all of a sudden, I thought it was my own original idea. And then I realized, oh, okay, that's where I got the idea. So if you want to, you can follow ARK Supermom, A-R-K, Supermom on Instagram. And she has a lot of deals that she shows you that she picks up at Walmart. She's a big Lego collector and Disney collector. So then, after she gave me that tip about these containers at Ross's, I ran over to Ross's and I found 6 more of these containers. They are exactly the same ones you get off of Temu. So I bought 6 more, and I organized my doorables by series. So this is the series 9, and I got the little papers in there. And all you have to do is be careful when you are setting these snaps. Make sure they are all the way closed, or you might go to lift this up and the bottom might drop off. That's what happened to me. My doorables went all over the floor. But yeah, this is one of the ways I store my doorables. Now, this is another way I was storing my doorables. Oops, excuse me. Fix my camera. I was putting it in this big, we are memory keepers, or what does it say? Oh, sorry, Nove links. I thought this is a we are memory keeper. So I think you crafters have seen these in the craft stores. It's just a big, like, suitcase type dilly bob, and inside of them are these cases, and these cases are made for storing photos or craft items. But what I did is I put all my special edition doorables in here with the special edition, I guess they call it certificates, in there as well. But I think I am going to switch all of my doorables into the other containers that I just got done showing you. But this is also another way that you can store your doorables and put them away in the closet and make everything nice and neat. Follow for more tips on organizing. Take care, everybody. Bye.